This mini-series dives into how SAP is making manufacturing smarter, faster, and more reliable. In this series, two of our team members are joined by Sam Castro, Senior Director in SAP's Manufacturing Solution Management team. With deep expertise in digital manufacturing, Sam is here to share insights on the future of connected, intelligent production. Let's jump into this episode, What's Next for ME-MII?
What is SAP's roadmap around digital manufacturing, and particularly regarding the retirement, continued support of existing solutions like SAP ME-MII?
Good question. So when we talk about the legacy of manufacturing suite, and in manufacturing suite, that's ME-MII, plant connectivity is also included in that grouping. We have an end of life, an end of standard maintenance, which is 12/31/2027, and an end of extended maintenance, which is 12/31/2030. They're published in the SAP Product Availability Matrix today, and that it always has the latest up-to-date information around any of our products and their life cycle. What does that mean for customers? It means that the clock is ticking. You do have time, and we do have assessment services. We have a pre-assessment service to help you get started, assessment service, and then of course we work with our ecosystem partner of your choosing or our own internal services, and both together, to make sure that there's a clear picture of what can be done in the immediate, what can be done in the midterm, and then what's long-term views, so that we can help prioritize scope and what that move looks like off of the on-prem software that you have today, and how you best transition into the public cloud, SaaS offering that we have with digital manufacturing, as part of your strategic plan.
Join us again next time as we continue to explore trends shaping the manufacturing sector in our series, Next Gen Digital Manufacturing. Thanks for watching. Special thanks to Sam for his insights. Stay tuned for more great discussions. Visit our website for updates, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.